bang bang.
Biggie biggie, heavy heavy, baby woman. Biggie biggie, heavy heavy.
Oh.
Beauties, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be doing creating a Valentine look, like a Valentine makeup look. So the first time of joining us, today is your first time of seeing this face right here, do not forget to hit on the subscribe button down below. It's somewhere here, or here. Yeah, just hit the subscribe button down below so you can join the family permanently. Alright, so right now let's just swipe into the video. I just went off camera to kind of, do one of my eye, and I'm gonna show you how I do that. I use the Revolution Conceal and Define Foundation in C12, so I use this to prime my eye. So yeah, after that I kind of move in with this Revolution Neutrals eyeshadows palette. So I'm going to be picking this shade right here. I'm going to be using this as my translation. So I'm going to be picking this first shade right here. Eyeshadow palette, and I'm picking this shade right here, and I'm just going to use this to blend out this orange shade. I've tried in cutting out this crease today though. Can you rate that? 5 stars. So yeah, I'm going to cut out the crease, and I'm still using the Revolution Conceal and Define Foundation in C12.5 that I used earlier to kind of as my eyeshadow primer. So I'm moving in to cut my crease, like I'm kind of, so I'm going in with this Revolution Man-made eyeshadow. So it actually contains 5 eyeshadows and 2 highlighters, though I haven't been using these highlighters. So I'm picking this shade right here. And for the eyeliner, I'm using the EllaLoves fine line eyeliner for this, and just gonna move ahead and then line my eye. So yeah, for the primer, I'm using the EllaLoves Pro Smoothie Face Primer. This Kiko Dark Treasure Foundation and Concealer. So it looks like. You know what, at first I was kind of scared if this foundation was like going to cover up my dark spots. Like, as you all know, I said I got this as a gift from a friend, and like seriously, This is my first foundation, like it's my first time using the foundation from Kiko that is full coverage. Like this foundation is amazing. As you can see, my dark spots are just kind of, you know, covered, and so now I'm gonna move ahead and set my face. And as you all know, I'm using the Sacha Buttercup setting powder to set my face. So to contour my face, I'm using this Sun Kiss bronzer. So it's in shade 3. This is the sun. Now to set the whole of my face, I'm using the Elegant face powder. If you know me, you know this. So this is in chestnut. Yes, this is the using this blush and highlight palette from the Revolution 12 Days of Christmas, and I'm going to pick this pinky shade right here. I'm going to apply that. I'm going to be using that as my blush. So yeah, there we have it. And for the highlight, I'm using the Revolution and soft highlighter, and I'm going to be picking this shade right here, some kind of a peachy rose gold, something like that. So I'm going to be using that. Using this Revolution Coolie fixing spray to set my face. All right. So yeah, for the lips, I'm using the Freedom lipstick. This is the Pro lipstick, and I'm using the Retro. And I'm going in with this my Kiko Jelly Jungle. I'm just going to use a little bit of this to top this up. I'm actually using this because of the shimmer. So yeah, that's it for the lips. And I'm moving in. I'm just going to, you know, smoke out my lower lash line. Like, I'm very skeptical when it comes to this. So now I'm moving into my Juvia's Place Zulu palette. I'm going to pick this blue right here. Yeah, this one right here, and I'm going to use this to smoke out my lower lash line. I'm going to apply my mascara. This is the Kiko Friso mascara. If you know me, you know this. So I'm going to use this to blend my natural lashes with my false lashes together to kind of make it more natural. and also smoke out my lower lash line, my lower lashes. So yeah, lovelies, here we have the final look. You know, I just tried to kind of, you know, style up my wing, and here's what we have. This is what I'm gonna be rocking on Valentine's Day, but unfortunately I won't say it. I won't say that. So yeah, my loves, here we have the final look. Here's my Valentine look. I hope you love this video, and like I said earlier, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and most importantly, don't forget to leave me a comment down below on what you want to see next. Like, I really want to know what you guys want from me next. And yeah, that is basically it for today's video. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, and always stay beautiful. Bye.